Avon Beauty Lovers. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I am a national leader with Avon, and welcome to Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz. Thank you for joining me. I have a sneak peek for you. You hear it? So we are 11 weeks away from Christmas. The hair is wild. I know it is. We are 11 weeks away from Christmas, and I'm so excited about what is coming. Not going to be one that's going to overlook fall or Thanksgiving, still two of my favorite holidays, but I wanted to give you guys just a little sneak peek of what we have coming, and so you can get excited and start getting your list together, because when you're shopping for the holidays, of course, you have people that you want to buy for, and you have decorations that you want, but I just wanted to remind you that when you shop with a local Avon representative, you're not supporting those big box stores like Sam Walton and his family. You're supporting a family like Jennifer Woolsey and her family, or whoever your local Avon representative is and their family, as they're bringing great quality products to you. So are you ready? Are you excited? Let me see it in the comments. Let me know what you think about these things. If you want to pre-order one, say, hey, Jennifer, I want to pre-order this, and I'll put you down on my list. Most of these products will be coming out in the next 2 weeks or the next 3 to 4 weeks. So here we go. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Here we go. I do not own any rights to this music, FYI. Just playing a little Christmas music. So this is some of our newest line that's coming out in campaign 23, so in about a week or so. And we also have the makeup, and I forgot to bring it in here, but I've been demoing it for you guys. Check out these little necklaces. Such cute little gifts. This is the Disco Ball lip gloss. I opened it so I could show you guys, but it's so cute. Oh, I have my battery list written on my hand. Excuse me. Check it out. Isn't that cute? And it opens up. Okay, I should have brought my tripod, but I didn't. But this opens up. See? And it's a little keychain, so that is a great gift for the little ones for stockings. We've got bath bombs. We've got your bubble bath. Aren't those cute gifts for your little ones? Okay, so here comes the Christmas stuff. This is, what is his name? The Singing Snowman. He's so cute. And he sings. This is our acrylic nativity scene. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have these snowman setters. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick with snowman. Oh, okay, he's done. They light up. And then we have our door standers. This is from my kitchen table, so you can kind of see how tall they are. And you can record a saying like I did, Merry Christmas, on the snowman and the Santa. They're so cute. Who remembers these beautiful acrylic Christmas trees? It's so pretty. And it's white in color. And then a Christmas plate. Some of you may remember. This is great if you're going to do like fudge or cookies for someone and then cover it up. It'd be great to give for like a neighbor for Christmas or your postman. It is an acrylic plate, and it's branded with the year on there. It's so pretty. And then we have the snow scene. This actually plays some music. Let me see if I can turn it on. There we go. Great for your Christmas village. And this is a little ornament. It's so pretty. Love this ornament. It's an angel. She's beautiful. And these can be turned off and on. And then we have some new exciting products. Oh, I'm going to go get the other thing. This is a body scrub. It's Black Rose body scrub and cleanser. Huge pump, and it's sealed, so there's no leakage. It goes in a nice box. This would be a great teacher's gift if you've got some teachers. Of course, our minis make great gifts. And then this is our new whitening toothpaste. It's block charcoal, which means it's white, so it's not going to leave your teeth black, but it has the charcoal in it. And we have the toothbrushes. So cool. Y'all, I'm so excited about this stuff. Then we also have Finley, the fox, and he is so cute, and he is so big. What should I compare him to? I'll compare him to like a tube of toothpaste. See how big he is? He is so soft and fluffy, and Finley is great for a fundraiser. If you have a cheer gym, or if you have a band student, or a youth group that's raising money for camp, they can sell Finley the foxes, and then I will donate a portion of their sales to their organization. They can donate the foxes to a local children's hospital or Toys for Tots. Finley is a great fundraiser. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to grab a couple of things that I have forgotten to show you. I didn't get all of my order in. I do different events and things, so I set up and sell these products at different events, and I'll do an open house for my customers here at my house. And so that's where I will do those products. That's why I order them. As an Avon representative, it's not a requirement that you buy lots of products. It's just something I like to do. Hi, Sandra. We're doing a Christmas sneak peek so you can see all the things that are coming. Okay, I'm going to set out this other stuff. So here's the other cool part. We also have a new partnership with LG, who is bringing some amazing Korean skincare, which is like top grade skincare for those people that love skincare. It is highly coveted across the world, and we've got it in Avon. I'm so excited. And they're also bringing some of their makeup products, which are going to be amazing. So let me show y'all some of this makeup. I'm going to turn this back around here. Of course, I've been using this Time to Shine palette that you guys already know that we love. This palette is a 3-piece story, and it is $25. Makes a great gift for the makeup lovers. And we have the Dream in Color palette, and it has 16 eyeshadow shades. Of course, I've been using that already. In love with that. And then we have the Just Glow with it for those makeup lovers in your life that love a highlight. It's got 4 beautiful highlight colors. It's so pretty. Here it is. This is the Ink Lasting Cushion Foundation. This is 24-hour foundation. You guys, it's designed with Korean beauty skincare, which is, like I said, it's creme de la creme. It's the MAC. It's like what everybody wants. This stuff is comparable to MAC and Estee Lauder, the All Day Long, if you're familiar with that. So check this out. This is so cool. Okay, so it has this cushion that holds the foundation. You have this specially designed little puff, and you stick it on. Picks up the makeup. And let's see, how are we gonna do this? I'm gonna just stick my hand right here. Sorry. And you kind of stamp it on your skin, and then whenever you stamp it on your skin, then you pat it in, and it's going to last forever. I'm going to demo it for you guys tomorrow on my Facebook Live. I used it this morning because I wanted to kind of test it out. It's staying. It's beautiful. It makes my skin glow. I'm in love with this new 24-hour ink foundation. So you guys are going to want this. We've got bronzer, we've got blush, we've got a mascara, we've got some new lip inks coming out with this line. So I'll have all of that to show you guys soon. So really quick, I'm going to do one more just broad shot for you guys. This is just a sneak peek at some of the great stuff that we have coming with Avon for the holidays. It's going to be everything you need to fill with your list. So start making your Christmas list, because we're 11 weeks away from Christmas, and start thinking about who you want to shop for, and let me be your personal shopper. Isn't this stuff cute? I love it, love it. Do you love snowmen? Do you love Santas? Tell me which is your favorite. So pretty. Nice for your village. The Himalayan Black Rose Body Scrub. Only 11 weeks, yes. Some minis. We've got our charcoal toothpaste. so many great things. So you guys get ready, make those lists. Let me see how I can be your personal shopper for the holidays. I want to help fix you up. I'll let you know as soon as this stuff goes live online, but I'm definitely taking pre-orders, so let me know what you want. And we have tons more. This is just a sneak peek at some of the things I have, probably my favorite things, and then I will keep sharing with you guys. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a share. Maybe somebody on your friends list would want to get some Christmas for their family from this video, or maybe there's something you want to share with your husband and say, hey, Jennifer did a video on this. Check this out. You need to call her. Let me be your personal shopper for you for the holidays. So you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving and Halloween, and then get ready for Christmas. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Y'all have a fantastic day. Thanks, Sandra. Bye, guys.